knowledge kitang khangaga som yarba khangiba knowledge se ko high skills income da othok tragadi som kanabam khangoi. Hi everyone, my name is Toksum Srimgol Singh. I'm the founder of Asur Academy. Asur Academy, however, Sigi company said, ma'am, we're not a digital marketing company. We are a coaching and firm which we have registered in the last 2024. So, see, akhoi Asur Academy da akhoi na train tawraiba each and every person ko, let's say for example, business owners, entrepreneur, adagi hawlaiba naha myama, adagi housewife myama, adagi doctors, engineers, PhD, MBA, see myama huje akhoi manungda train tawjariba company ni. Akhoi na train tawjari not just only we're just teaching, we're trying to help our student in order to crack their first milestone by using our skills and knowledge so that we can give everything whatever we can so that they can get a success faster. So, mayamda aina ngasi taksa doriba khoigi som da laibiriba knowledge amadi skills si kamain toroga khoina high paying income mama kamain onthorkani. Sigi matang sida mamang the expert myamna Manipur da ngangbiramba myam yorongmani ado ai experience aina thengnagiba ai myam da khajitang ai share tawjageba ko ngasidagi ko chahi nipan mapan gi mamang da ai ju karimta haite sengna hagade aina engineering tamba matamda khoina tamaiba like say just khogi general education haita ne ko tamuiba like to aina private companies samda thawak to matamda magi sagi private companies ki magi protocol magi principle company dugi amung nauna mukam khoi skills tamgiba knowledge tamgiba natragadi company du thawak to yaroiba adigi aina aingonda hujik leijariba ai knowledge ko ai jik for example khoigi carpentry works am haireba aina haijariba carpentry works a kanagumba amada takthoke haiba matamda magi curriculum sana kamaina sadoino adigi model kamain sarakani pricing kamain sarakani marketing kamain tarokani sigi matang da khoi phasana manung da train tawjari tawdabu sidai sida somna pamjariba sigi goals da na phasana mamut tana ko sana yamna pamjaba ma lupam da kartai the rest Asur Academy will take care everything for you. Somna lejariba somni knowledge somni skills ngasi ko numitagi profitable oiba ko business model amda porke na khalaba somna hijariba khangjariba knowledge oigara skills oigara sigi ja khoina profitable high skill income da onthok ke hamadam da supnagi ai point ma khatang myam pham da ai thamjage number 1 da choose an area which you really love about it and be passionate and solve one extraordinary problem. Nangna ngasi khangjariba nangi knowledge nangi skills aduiduna society da ko miyoiba amagi kari problem solve toba ngami eza write it down this in your notepad. Nangna adu problem itokraba automatically nangi brain siga nangi khutchi connect torogane solution ama mulaksaniba. Just try it. Aina ngasi aiju marketing jida ko aiju ngoromnina ko mina kari mama hack matam business ma kamai setup tawni online da degi maujik struggle ore kamai na si fix tawni ko aiju ko adum nungti tawla abanina thuwane ba hokko matam da ai kem khangde aiju ai mentor da tamai ai area of expertise ko chahi ani ahum mari manga taruk tare nipan changga tamakhibnina ko mina kari mama talong hack matam da eta ugal level. So the question is, what type of knowledge you have right now? Nahak ta hujik kari knowledge lay amadi nangon hujik kari skills lay sigi lay ba knowledge center skills na kari problem solve tawba ngamni habasa ibiro sina step number 1 ibiro. Number 2 da aina hujik lay ba aigi knowledge amadi skills ya si sinar ganda khoina lead magnet am khak sabiyo ba mayamna di offer na hang money, but I'll not say this is an offer ko adugi mota lead magnet ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯀꯁꯇꯃꯔ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩ ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯑꯩ ꯐ꯭ꯔꯤꯗ ꯄꯤꯒꯦ ꯃꯣꯏꯗ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯚꯦꯂꯨꯕꯜ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯑꯃꯈꯛꯇꯤ ꯑꯩ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯗ ꯑꯣꯏꯒꯦꯔꯥ ꯑꯦꯅꯤ ꯒ꯭ꯂꯣꯕꯦꯂꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯒꯦꯔꯥ ꯁꯤꯗꯩꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩ ꯈꯨꯗꯣꯜ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯑꯩ ꯄꯤꯔꯝꯒꯦ ꯀꯣ ꯏꯆꯝ ꯆꯝꯅ ꯄꯤꯕ ꯅꯠꯇꯕ ꯄꯤꯔꯤꯕ ꯄꯣꯠꯁꯤꯅ ꯃꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯕ꯭ꯂꯦꯝ ꯃꯆꯥ ꯑꯃꯈꯛꯇꯤ ꯁꯣꯜꯕ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯔꯝꯃꯣꯕ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯁꯤꯗꯗꯤ ꯆꯥꯔꯖ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯔꯨꯅꯨ ꯀꯣ ꯅꯪꯁꯨ ꯍꯧꯔꯛꯇ ꯉꯥꯏꯔꯤ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯅꯪꯒꯤ ꯅꯣꯂꯦꯖꯁꯨ ꯇꯦꯁꯇꯤꯡ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯆꯞ ꯃꯥꯟꯅꯩꯕ ꯅꯪꯅ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯈꯪꯖꯔꯤꯕ ꯅꯪꯒꯤ ꯅꯣꯂꯦꯖ ꯅꯪꯒꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯀꯤꯜꯁ ꯑꯦꯅꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯝꯕ ꯌꯥꯏꯑꯕꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯄꯣꯠꯁꯦ ꯀꯅꯥꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯑꯃꯗꯅꯦ ꯀꯣ ꯄꯩꯁꯥꯒꯤ ꯉꯥꯛꯇ ꯌꯦꯡꯕꯤꯔꯨꯅꯨ ꯀꯣ ꯅꯪꯅ ꯍꯩꯖꯔꯤꯕ ꯅꯣꯂꯦꯖꯁꯨ ꯀꯅꯥꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯑꯃꯗ ꯑꯦꯄ꯭ꯂꯥꯏ ꯇꯧꯔꯣꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯗ ꯍꯦꯛ ꯑꯦꯛꯖꯤꯀ꯭ꯌꯨꯠ ꯇꯧꯈ꯭ꯔꯕ that is something we can create as a product in the market kayino you already have the results in your hand right now nakhutta results lerba matamdagidi kedarakani nang mayamgi mangda tholakanda okay aina sumain tawjudna train tawjagiba aigi satra ma huji ko aina taksagiba khotkiba ma success ore ko ma huji phajana khange aduduna mayamsu ai mateng pangba ngamani na adu nang thokpa yarani ba aduna ahanbadadi kanagumba amada han apply tawbiu sina second step oibro aduga third step da ko this is super important you have to work hard haibigi athadi keno nangna piriba uziki lead magnet is something offer ma free the pbi ko sigi pochina magi result di nang phangdaba swaya roiba kaigumba nangi first try sida result je phanghodraba ko nang kitang struggle warne dunamo aduna sidai tumba chaba machet kitang ko khangbiragana kaidorokani somna nangi client dugana ahing nungdin nungdang jana khotnaro moida high value pinaba aina jo aigi sigi company Asur Academy da ina tawjagiba makhak lei 7 days challenge na ko 2024 gi January February saida ai class om khak tawjagiba matamnu do kedoroke ha matamda ai ayuk chu ta ai nungdang chu ta ke I wanted to give a very high value to my student kayumba aina adu ta hudraba ai next month ai yam thing struggle to kaniba ai pro nate matamduda I just started my business matamduda aina ai client myam duga sana work to winadraba ko ai nomada class pung na whole pung 24 hours da pung je dum ko taragi mayade ai dum straight to life dum ngang maniba pung tara de hoda pung amada loiba numidang namo pung tare makhai de hor pung tara tamathoi baro saibo dum taweba kaigino do ai student myam ai customer myam moi myam duda ko ai ma leiri life da noi kem waganu nangna soraga so ai take moiga tona dana tina dana azana khona da yaro when you just started ko aduna nahaksu step number 3 da haningi ba pointi client myam duga engage tawraga moigi problem myam nang fix tawna ba khona biyo otherwise you will not make money step number 4 da you need to build a core offer sidana gaino nanga sai fazana nangi matam thadagrabneba ko nang huji pasa leitaba orambasu yai pasa leitre nonda matam di leidana nangi matam mayam do nangi customer mayam nang fazana pithokrabneba adu targadi step number 4 sida moi hena pama aniba sir ai hena khangninge tamninge hara aniba ko adu da kadarokani phare noi mayam na hena khangningagadi ai noi mayam gi product am sarge sigi product sidana noi tamo aduga hena sidagi so hena high value pirakena adu mind toroga nangi product se moida yona matungda nangi paisa ji exchange to godong this is step number 4 adu akhoi Manipur da dei ai product am le na market da puthoga advertisement am doksalaga influencer kharna radio do khartha da adu music matam so chana ro you will be struggling in order to sell your product or services so you have to think very smart I know you are a Asur student, so I know you are a smart guy. The step number 5, the last not but the least. In any business, nang knowledge ki business to gira, service pi gira, product on gira, adagi any field of business to umatam dana. The most important thing is system. Without a system, you can't scale your business. Without automation, it will take lots of time. Manual work natana yaroi uski matamda ko mi cham na kamai message thani broadcasting message WhatsApp automation tawgira email automation tawgira social media automation togera nang na tummi ganda nangi machine dudi adum work togena. This is what I learned from my mentor. System works, people fail. So focus on building your system. Kay manoina sigi pulap cha akhoi ge implement tongninge na high targadi ko nahakin leisure ba nangi knowledge tagi turn into profitable high skill income. Sida mayam na kay uma pasana hena tamminga ba Asur Academy na 60 days challenge na ko Manipur miyam da hujipukta ko we have trained more than 2,000 plus students, especially for free. Pet da zutawi, free da zutawi. Sigi program sida mayam na join tongninga gadi akhoi makhada akhoi gi book hapcharamge sida akhoi ga personally wari sanabayani sigi book di aksur.net/book ana mayam nambiro aduda book tobiro aduga I personally songi mateng soinam ki pangjage aduga most important thing aina changi ba sigi knowledge sibu market da profitable oiba industry da si jo important noi ko natragadi nangna leijariba knowledge to market ki miyam na pambidra ba adu tarina dum koi gi outdated natraga kanga thanga na koi metai da haidana adu dum or talk to ne aduna khong thangjandri kanda hana already adugi field da changraba mi amaga khitang do orso concern to bermu somi yamgraba paisa natraga matam adu save tongninga di ngasimak Asur Academy da reach out to biro ay adongi mateng songna soidamaki ay pangjage. Thank you everyone and I'll see you in the next video. Take care guys. Bye bye.